Are you planning to buy a home soon? Most likely you've heard of the FHA loan. And you know what? This loan may be just the one for you. In this video, I'll cover what is an FHA loan, the pros and cons, and why you should consider this type of loan for your next home purchase. So who or what is FHA? FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration, and they are a part of HUD, which is a federal agency, and HUD stands for the Department of Housing and Urban Development. And from my research, I've learned that HUD has been helping people buy homes since 1934. Now, HUD is a federal agency that addresses housing discrimination, and they provide programs and policies that addresses our housing needs. So you may have heard of Section 8, for example, but in this case, they also offer mortgage insurance. Now, FHA does not provide the money for you to buy a home. They insure the mortgages that the lenders give out. So this allows lenders to take risks that they may not have otherwise have taken on a borrower, because this insurance will pay them back should the borrower default on the payment of their loan. The FHA offers a variety of mortgage products, and they provide FHA insurance for the purchase of a home, the improvement of a home, or for the refinance of a mortgage. But for this video, I'm going to cover the FHA loan in regards to purchasing a home. Now, there are many barriers to home ownership. There's the high cost of living, there's the affordability crisis, and there's low credit and not having enough savings to buy a home. So this FHA loan is very appealing and attractive to home buyers because it addresses two of those barriers. If you don't have a lot of savings, or if you have a low credit score, this loan is very attractive to a lot of home buyers because it allows for higher DTIs and lower credit scores and lower down payments. If you're enjoying this video and I'm dropping gems or providing valuable information, please subscribe or like or comment. I would really appreciate it. So let's get into the pros of an FHA loan. The FHA loan is very flexible. You can have a low debt to income ratio, a less than perfect credit score, and you can put down a low down payment as low as 3.5%. Now, I know some conventional loans offer the opportunity to put down only 3%, but they usually have more strict guidelines to qualify to put down 3%. And then there's the VA loan where you put down 0%, but you also have to be a veteran or an active duty service member or closely related to one. And then there's the USDA loan where you could put down 0%, but you are restricted to certain areas that are considered rural. So the FHA loan doesn't have those requirements. Your down payment can be in the form of a gift, and you can use down payment assistance. And the down payment assistance can be used in tandem to your low 3.5% down payment, so making it easier to afford a home. You can use the link in my description where I have a video about down payment assistance programs. The FHA loan is a great loan to use if you're interested in acquiring rental properties, because in most cases, to buy a multi-unit property, you have to put down way more than 3.5%. But with the FHA loan, you can acquire multiple doors with just 3.5% down if you just live there for a year, and then you can move out and rent that apartment that you were living in. And it's not just for first-time home buyers. That is a popular myth with FHA loans. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer to take advantage of this great loan. And then there are cons. The FHA backing is funded by you, the borrower. So with that, there are fees. There is an upfront mortgage insurance premium that you have to pay when you close on the loan, and that could be rolled into your financing, or you could pay out of pocket at closing. And then there's an ongoing mortgage insurance premium that you have to pay usually for the lifetime of the loan. The upfront mortgage insurance premium is 1.75%, and the ongoing annual mortgage insurance premium varies and can range from 0.15 to 0.75% depending on the loan term, the down payment that you have, and the loan amount. And it is paid for the lifetime of the loan, so it doesn't end unless you refinance out of that loan or the loan is paid off. And one circumstance is if you put down more than 10%, you can have that mortgage insurance premium terminated after 11 years. And so here's an example calculation of how much this mortgage insurance premium can add to your monthly housing payments. Let's say your loan amount is $250,000. That excludes your upfront mortgage insurance premium if you're choosing to roll that into your financing. And let's say you're borrowing that amount for a 30-year term and your down payment was 3.5%. In this case, your mortgage insurance premium will be 0.55% and it will be for the life of the loan. So $250,000 times 0.55% equals $1,375,000 for the year, or an additional $114.60 added as a monthly housing expense. So there you have it, all about the FHA loan, what it is, the pros and cons, and why you should consider it for your next home purchase. I used the FHA loan when I bought my second home, and many of my clients have acquired their home using an FHA loan. It is a great loan. It's flexible. You can have a lower credit score. You can have a higher DTI. You can have a low down payment and be able to get into the home of your dreams. To apply for an FHA loan, just reach out to any FHA approved lender and they can help you with getting that loan. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I provide many videos on housing and real estate related topics, and I'd love for you to be a subscriber. Have a great day.